In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Squarespace website, easy steps for designers and clients. Backing up a Squarespace site is all about creating a safe snapshot you can roll back to or use for testing. The simplest and most reliable way is to duplicate the website inside your Squarespace account. This creates a full copy of your site's structure and content without touching your live site, making it perfect for redesigns, client handoffs, or peace of mind backups. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace, or head directly to the Squarespace account page. Make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. On the landing page, click Log In. If you manage sites for clients, sign in with the account that has the right permissions to access the website you want to back up. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which lists all the sites you can manage. From here, locate the website you want to back up. You'll see a tile for each site. Hover over or look to the side of the site's name to find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional options for that specific site. This is where Squarespace tucks away administrative actions that aren't part of everyday editing. In the menu that appears, choose Duplicate Website. This is the built-in backup method. When you select it, Squarespace prepares a complete copy of the site. Typically, the duplicate is named with a copy of prefix so it's easy to recognize. Keep in mind, duplication copies your design, pages, and most content, but certain items like orders, customer accounts, member subscriptions, or some third-party connections generally don't carry over. That's normal for safety and privacy reasons, and it keeps the duplicate isolated from real-world transactions. Next, click Duplicate to confirm. Depending on your site's size, this can take a moment. You don't have to stay on the page, but it's best to wait until you see the new site appear in your dashboard. The duplicate won't affect your live website, and it usually starts in a trial state, separate from any connected domain or billing. You can open it to verify your pages, settings, and styles have been copied as expected. That's it. You now have a secure backup copy inside your account. Use it to stage changes, experiment with new designs, or as a safety net before major updates. For best results, repeat this process before big edits or periodically as your content grows so your backup stays current and dependable.